There is something you need to understand when using Power Query to connect to external data from folder or from, CSV, text file, whatsoever. So you're going to run into this kind of error plenty times. Let us see what happens. Here is telling us data source error. So could not find file. So what is happening here now means the path of this file has changed. So let us quickly click on this particular advanced editor here. For me to make you understand now, I'm going to copy from this here before the closing bracket down to this part here. I'm going to copy, Ctrl+C to copy. Then I'm going to paste it here in this particular, text file. So we go right here now. So what we have now is this particular product lookup table. Previously, we were very consistent by naming our tables into customer lookup, calendar lookup, and store lookup and region lookup, then product lookup. But maybe we made our decision to I think product lookup table will make a lot of sense without considering what is going to happen in the other end, which is Power Query. So we did it right here. And when we got there, we have the, bad news that this table is not actually more existing, just like what we have right here right now. If I close it, because the file is no more right there, it has changed. So what we have here is product lookup, and we don't have table right on it. So how do we solve this? Let me show you what you can do. If you insist in using this, what you can do is just make sure you select it. So go to home, and from home you can see where it says copy part. So once I click on it, I've just copied a part to this particular table. So I'm going to come right here now and paste the part I've copied right in here. So let us look at what changed from this part. Now here we have, customer dashboard / product lookup.csv. So right here we have customer dashboard / product lookup - table.csv. So can you see? So this is our new source. So Power Query cannot see this new source. Power Query is still looking at this particular source. So we have to make Power Query understand that, oh, sorry, we've just changed this. We've just added table to this. How do we do that? So you can actually go right here and open Advanced Editor. Once you open Advanced Editor, you can change this whole part here to the new one you've copied, or you can actually just add your table right here. But for the consistency purpose, wherever it is, for you not to make any mistake, why don't you just go right here and copy new part, just like what we have done by copying a part here, and go back here and remove after open bracket down to this particular part where it says closed bracket, and remove it, then paste in the new one you've copied, and this should solve the issue. Go ahead and click on done. Nothing changed. I'm going to tell you why. We have another table that is linked to this particular table right here. Onto that table is actually the part of that table is changed. There is no way this one can actually be okay. So here we have product brand lookup. So if I click on it, we have the same issue right here, and that is from the same table. So we have to fix this table as well before this particular product table can actually be fixed. So you can actually right click from here and go to Advanced Editor. So from there, you can just make sure you know what it is. So you just start from here, remove this down to this part. So and paste in the new one. That should solve the problem. Then click on done. So we have the issue solved for both. So this actually happened when you move, of the source. Like right now, you create a dashboard or a report for your boss, and you actually copy the file, the PBRX or the Excel, of the workbook itself, and move it to your boss system, or you actually created this for a client in another region, and you send him or her the file. So once the person tries to open it up in his or her own system right now, so the query is gonna break. So this is just how to save it. So you have to tell the person to point Excel to his or her system by doing this individually. So you come here and copy the part and go right to Advanced Editor and just make sure you follow every single thing accordingly the way it is. So this is very, very important. If you never known this before, now you've known, and on a very good day you might fall into this trap. You've just known the way to solve the problem.